We just spent $700 at REI.
I know, that's so bad.
I don't even know what we
That's probably
bought.
like the smallest amount that we've come out with.
I mean, we came in for the Jetboil, and then we always end up leaving with like $500.
Everything.
Not good.
Hey guys, Danny Schaefer back with another video, and today we're going to be celebrating a milestone of hitting 600 subscribers. I actually meant to do this video a while back when I hit 500. Life kind of got in the way, so here we are doing it at 600. So the support for the channel these last couple of months has been unreal, as we've already gained 161 subscribers as of right now this year alone, and you guys don't seem to be slowing down. So with that, I wanted to take some time out of my day to make a video to send some of the appreciation back to all of you and do a 100% free to enter giveaway of something I think you will all really enjoy. Now, I've had this idea for quite some time now, and I wanted to come up with an idea for a backpacking or a hiking related theme item to give away that would be universal and something that anybody could use or benefit from. So my girlfriend Tess and I made the trek out to our local REI about a week ago, and like many of you have probably experienced, I spent way too much money in a short amount of time, and I don't even know how it happened. But with that, I purchased a $50 REI gift card to give away to one person, and to another person, well, the Jetboil stash.
Jetboil.
So for demonstration purposes, I borrowed a brand new Jetboil stash that one of my friends got. Hasn't been used. This is all for demonstration purposes only. Be sure to stick around until the end of the video to learn how to enter the giveaway, but first, let's dive in to what we have here. So this is Jetboil's latest cook stove product, and it is awesome. Weighing in at 7.1 ounces, it is the lightest cook set that Jetboil has ever released, and it's seriously so light. It weighs less than half a pound. It's designed with many features that allows it to save on space, yet it sheds the weight and makes you almost forget you're even carrying around the thing. It has a water volume of 0.8 liters or 3.38 cups, and it's advertised to boil 2 cups of water in 2.5 minutes. The Jetboil stash comes with this flux ring technology that really kind of disperses the wind and makes it really from coming in and putting your flame out, if you will. It really just helps the pot and the stove be more efficient. The stove has these kind of divots on it, which makes it so the pot can fit in and makes it easier to avoid the pot slipping off and therefore your water falling off and spilling everywhere. Its cooking type is described as fast boil, and it's perfect for boiling water to add to dehydrated meals, making coffee, etc. The entire Jetboil stash cook system can be cleaned up to fit inside itself, and you can even stash away a small 100-gram fuel canister and a small or mini lighter in it as well, and that's done by actually snapping it onto the lid. So in the Jetboil stash cook system box, everything that you will find is the 0.8 liter pot, the stove that folds up and collapses, an orange tripod kind of stabilizer stand. It's not necessarily needed, but it does keep your pot a lot more stabilized if you're on uneven surfaces or terrain. You obviously have a lid. It comes with this kind of demonstrative can, if you will, which I suppose you can bring along if you want. It's not actually a fuel canister, so maybe you can put your fire starters in it or whatever you want, maybe matches. You get the point. But it's really just to demonstrate how the Jetboil canister can snap in to the lid. It comes with a small little carrying protective case for the stove, and then it also comes with a small stash user guide. Unfortunately, for part of this contest and giveaway, I can't ship or give away a fuel canister. It's just not something they allow for me to ship personally. So that's it, the Jetboil stash. Now let's get into the giveaway. So in order to hold a giveaway contest on YouTube, there's some basic rules that I have to follow and a couple of things I need to touch base on and verbally say before we can get into the actual contest rules. So number one, I am solely responsible for this contest, not YouTube, no one else but me. I am not sponsored by any way, shape, or form by Jetboil, REI, YouTube in making this giveaway video. Both the REI gift card and the Jetboil stash were purchased with my own money and on my own accord for this giveaway. YouTube is to be released of any liability related to the giveaway or contest. If anything were to happen, not that it will. So this giveaway is going to be for residents of the US and Canada only. So now here are the official rules to enter the contest. Entering the contest is going to be super easy, and all you have to do is 1, subscribe to the channel, 2, like or drop a thumbs up on the video, 3, leave a comment describing where you plan on taking the Jetboil to, or what you plan on doing or using the $50 REI gift card for. Number 4, no duplicate entries are allowed. 1 entry is allowed per person or per channel. Check down in the description of the video for the written out official rules. The contest will be open today, Monday, March 15th, 2021, and will end Monday, March 22nd, 2021. The winners will be picked 100% at random and will be announced in a separate video. Be sure to stay tuned for the announcement video, as I will pick the winners of the Jetboil stash and the REI gift card, and I'll need the winner to email me so we can get in contact or get in touch. I'll go into more detail regarding picking the winners on the giveaway announcement video. Shipping and handling of these items to you will also 100% be completed by me. So that's it, simple as that. I hope you guys are as excited for this giveaway as I am. I am chomping at the bit to announce the winner already. Be sure to share this video with family, friends, and get everyone you know to enter if you can. Be sure to stick around for future videos as well. I have more giveaways planned in the near future for when I reach different milestones, such as 1,000 subs, 2,000 subs, etc. You get the point. For items maybe such as a new Helinox chair or a new Hyperlight backpack, maybe even a Garmin InReach someday. I really appreciate all your guys' support, and really it's the least I can do. So be sure to check down in the description for any additional information regarding the giveaway. There will be a link for the Jetboil stash for anyone interested in learning more about it. So be sure to follow me on Instagram at Danny J. Schaefer, link down below. Thank you everybody so much for watching. I'll see you guys in 1 week for the announcement video for the winner of the Jetboil stash and the REI gift card. Thank you guys, and we'll see you in a week.